Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to explain another AutoCAD tutorial, basic two-dimensional drawing, explain step by step. So we will use simple commands like circle, polygon, and array, line type, etc. So let us start the drawing. Open your AutoCAD, the Z and re-enter if it is any entities are there. Nothing is there. Go to unit, check whether it is decimal and millimeters or not. Okay, click OK. Next, if you want to stop the grid enter. Where the stop enter. Okay. So your UCS icon is moving. So if you want to stop that UCS icon, UCS icon enter. No origin. So always remains at the same place of the left side corner of your screen. Next, what is the diagram? So first of all, I am going to draw the circle. What is the circle? Circle is diameter 590. This is 592. Outer circle is 500. So I am going to draw two circles. First one, C enter, D enter, 100. If you want to see Z enter, E enter. Your circle. Yeah. Now draw another circle, C enter. From this one, B enter, 92. Again, circle C enter, D enter, 100. Yeah. Two circles. Okay. So this is first. Here you are going to draw. You want to change your line type here for the circle line type. So for that you will go to here, other, load, go to center line, center, okay, select this one, change it to center. You want to change line type to LTS center, give some 0.5 mm, change it like 0.5. So now what is there here if you observe? Yeah. So there is a circle. What is the radius of this circle? Radius 10. So now I am going to draw one circle here. So for that, C enter. Here I am going to draw circle. R enter, 10 enter. That is your circle. Okay, that is your circle. So now what is here? It is something is there. Some fillet radius is 4. So go to F enter, R enter, 4 enter. Select distance. Select distance. To on trim. That's it. Okay. Now there is one more hexagon is there. To draw polygon, what is the distance between two edges? It is 10. So to do this, you just draw a circle. I am going to draw 10 mm circle here. C enter, D enter, 10 mm. Here I am going to draw the polygon. POL enter, 6 sides here. Number of sides enter. Center. Select the circle center. Here you will go with circumscribed option. If you do this, you will get like this. Remove your circle. Set enter here. If you observe, this one also completed. Now here also. Here what is the radius? 20. So simply you will give circle C enter, find out the center, D enter, 20 enter, go to polygon command POL, fix side center, select the center, circumscribed, you like remove your circle. So object. Yeah. Now what we will do, draw one more line. What is this line? It's a line from the center. Okay. Up to this, extend 2 mm or 5 mm. extra 5 mm. Okay, short. Change this line type also here by center. Or else another option is there, MA, match prop. Select this like this. Okay. So now using the array command, AR array, select the object and this. Enter. Polar array, select the center point. So now using the trim option, you will trim the portion here and here. Or simply you will drag like this. You will press the mouse button, you will drag like this, you will remove. Drag, remove and remove. Here, here, and here. Enter Z and C. Okay, so with this finish, next give the dimension. Here, dim align. Go to here, dim align. Select this and this dimension like this. Okay. Again, if you want to do the dimension before that, you will go to the mod pen. As I said many times in the previous video, select color number 9. Here we select color number 8. Okay. Here baseline spacing give 1, extend 1.25. Okay. Offset from origin is 1. Symbols and arrows 2.5, 2.5, everything is okay. Text, if you want to change your text, go to here, view times New Roman, apply, set current, close, 2.5, okay, above centered, okay, here change to 1, go to fit, always keep text between extension, okay. You can do the either best fit, okay. This okay, set current, change the text color also for visible representation, click OK, set current, close. Now give the dim dia. Dim dia like this. Dim linear here from this point to this point. Attachment D and close. Is there any other dimensions of this? Yeah. Dim radius. Select this one. Dim again same. Do like this. Z enter here. Okay. As I told you, how to place this one in the template. Just Control A, or you will take your template. Get your template. Z enter, enter. Control A, Control C. Move to your drawing. Here paste Control V like this. Move your drawing to inside. Here, yes. Z enter, enter. Change your dimension, change your detail, module number, axis number. If you double click on the template, you will change your axis number 4, 6, and everything. Change your date, scale, your branch. Okay, you will change that section. You will mention section also. So, how to take this printout? Simple. Go to layout. Here, just if it is move like this, that is in the paper space. If you want MS, if you move like this, MS, Z enter, enter. Okay, MS. If it is PS, it will move like this. Okay. Next, go to export PDF. Select the desktop. Here give your exercise 4. Fine. Here your exercise. Take this screenshot and place on your head. Okay. With this, I will stop this session. In the next session, I will explain another tutorial.